This video is a continuation of what you just took a quiz on. We're still going to be graphing using a table, but we're adding a step or two before. As you can see, y is not by itself. I need to get that by itself. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract the 2x from both sides. That gets me negative y equals, you can either put 4 minus 2x or negative 2x plus 4. I prefer the x first. Divide everything by negative 1 to get rid of that negative sign. So that gets me y equals 2x minus 4. And now I can make my table and go ahead and graph it. Okay, so here is y equals 2 times negative 2 minus 4. That gets me negative 8. This is 2 times negative 1 minus 4. That gets me negative 6. This gets me negative 4. This is negative 2. And that's 0. So my points are negative 2, negative 8, negative 1, negative 6, 0, negative 4, 1, negative 2, and 2, 0. Okay, now I'm going to graph it. Okay, first point is negative 2, negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then negative 1, negative 6. 0, negative 4. 1, negative 2. And 2, 0. Draw my line. And that's it. Let's do one more. Let's do x equals y plus 3. So for this one, I need to get the y by itself, so I'm going to subtract the 3. That gets me x minus 3 equals y. Y is by itself, so I can go ahead and make my table. Okay, so this is y equals negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 5. This is negative 1 minus 3, which is negative 4. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And 2 minus 3 is negative 1. I'm going to write my points. Okay, now I'm going to graph it. Okay, negative 2, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, 4. 0, negative 3. 1, negative 2. 2, negative 1. Okay, I just did 2 examples for you. If you still need help on this, you can come over and see me and I will help you. But I have here 3 problems that I would like you to do as a continuation of this. So you can just keep going on this piece of paper and on the front as well. But you're going to have 3 of them to do. So number 3 is going to be x plus y equals 3. Number 4 is 3x plus 3y equals negative 3. And where did I put the last one? Last one, number 5, is 2y plus 3x equals 6. And you'll get a couple decimals for your answers on that one, but it'll be like a 0.5 type decimal, so it's not that bad. But go ahead and do those 3 problems and then turn this paper in so you get credit for it.